Greetings punters, it's Ben here again, and we are about to run our second consecutive punt. So I'm just going to set up again. Start a fresh screen. Alrighty, fresh screen, we're back. We are running 637, which is Kane's slider for Thor number 2. So we are live. And it is 4:15 in the afternoon, and it is 4:15 in the afternoon. Alright, let's go and see how many spots we've got. Alrighty. Once again, deck in number 1, sounds familiar. And Mr. Reynolds in 185. Okay, it's definitely clear. Backspace, nothing. Let's go DAC in number 1. And all looking good. No spaces. Mr. Reynolds, 185. Put the cursor there. Delete. Alright. 185 spots. 3 dice roll. Alright, nice simple one. 4 and 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. 1 and 2 is 3 and 4 is 7. Huzzah! Nice easy one. Here we go. It's 1. It's 2. It's 3. It's 4. Alright, that was 5 of our 4 and 2 and 6 1 is 7. 5 of 7 rolls. 2 left to go. Alrighty, 5 penultimate. Okay. 6. So this is it. Next one is for the win of the Thor number 2. Here we go. Oh. Alrighty, there we go. There's the 7 times. Let's go and see who won. Neville Tiberius Howard. Good grief. 2021, it really is gonna be the year, huh? Unbelievable. Alrighty, good on you, Nev. Alrighty, get in contact with Kane to claim your book. And dun dun dun. We are done. Alright. 4:17. Thanks for playing, everybody. Catch you next time.